Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you two small hauls, one from Craft Online and the other from Giraffe. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist, so let's see what I bought this time. I'm just going to throw it out there. This is the fourth haul in a row I have filmed tonight. Crazy. Craft Online had Super Saturday savers a little while back, June, July, I'm not sure which, and they had some hot foil stamps on sale, and I can't remember what brand they were because they don't have a brand on them. First time I've ever gotten anything from Craft Online that doesn't have a brand on it. I'm going to see if I can log in and check my order. So these are Poppy Crafts, and usually Poppy Craft stuff does not come in unbranded packages like this, so it's a bit weird. But anyway, this big heart was $8. I am a bit concerned about this one because it does have some scratches on it, and I'm worried that that's going to translate to when I try and foil it. Celebrate in Style was $6, and of course they are back to front, but when you hot foil them they'll be the right way. This rectangle label was $4, and I thought that looked really cool and maybe a little bit deco. I thought that would go with some things that I already have. This one was $6. This label was $4, and I didn't realise it was as small as it was, but I can still stamp in the middle and it will be nice. And I'm just trying to find the flourish border. And that one was $9. I also got some more of the 12x12 work in progress folders that I am going to start putting all my paper in if I ever get 5 minutes. In the Super Saturday savers they also had Crafty Potential, and I'm wishing I had bought all of these because I really like them. I got Wonderful, and you get the wonderful word, you get the shadow for the wonderful, and then you get the stamped wonderful, which will work with the die as well, and then you get wishing you everything, you are so, hope you have a birthday, happy, believe in the to a friend. I already used the you are so, but that's the only one I've used so far. And then there is congratulations. Again, the word cut out, shadow cut out, the stamp, which the shadow cut out will fit around. Congratulations on your big day. You're the best. You did it. Way to go. Fantastic achievement. Success. And then I got wishes. Same deal. 2 dies, big stamp, and then birthday, make a wish, sending, get well, your way, Christmas, best from all of us. Amazing. Hope you have an day, birthday, you are truly to an friend. Congratulations and news, and I'm pretty sure I used the you are truly as well. Birthday. Happy to you, wishes, love, hope you have an amazing, have a lovely, hooray, it's your. And these were the bargain price of $5 each. You can't even get a die set like that for $5. So that was a bargain, and I am wishing I had gotten every single one that Craft Online had in that Super Saturday saver. Next, I did the Giraffe order. This was the main reason I did it. I wanted to get the extra lid for cutting for the Go Present foil. I haven't checked to see if it is the same size as the one that comes on it already. Let's have a look. Are they the same width? I believe they are the same width. So what I'm going to do is actually cut into that one and keep the grid for when I need to line things up. And with this you get 2 cut foil and embossed dies and the super thick metal shim. So it is much thicker than the current one I'm using, which is the Cuttlebug one. The Cuttlebug one is also the same size as their thin shim. This thick shim is obviously more expensive. It's $20 on Craft Giraffe, or you can get all of this in one kit for, I think it was around $43. So I grabbed that. I have seen it cheaper somewhere else, but they didn't have the foil stamps as cheap as Craft Giraffe, so I went with Craft Giraffe because I would get free postage and foil stamps, and I like Craft Giraffe. So that was the main reason I did the order. And then I grabbed a few more little bits and pieces. I am extremely addicted to Craft Giraffe now. And Couture Creations. I got the Exquisite Gentleman die. I got the Kangaroo dies, so you get the solid die and the die that cuts bits out. It shows you on the back, and little tufts of grass. And I thought that would work with the Aboriginal paper I recently got from Spotlight. Then I got the playing cards, 4 suits it's called. I got the whiskey bottle and glass stamp set, and everything else I got is foil stamps. This one is a cut foil and emboss spade In Spades it's called. I missed out on the jalopy, so I'm a bit sad because I really liked that. Then I got a cut foil and emboss ornate centerpiece. This is a cut foil emboss You're Invited tag. I figured I could fit more words that I may have in there, or I could stamp words in there if I didn't want to put You're Invited. And I probably, if I can, I will grab the congratulations one they have as well. Then I grabbed the Swiss Dots background, which I thought would come in handy. It doesn't cut, it just embosses. Then I got the cut foil and emboss numbers because I thought they'd be handy for birthday cards and things. And then it took me ages to work out which one of these I was going to get, but I got the cut foil and emboss gardenia frames. There is lots of them that I love, but started with this one. It was really hard to choose. It took me forever to wheedle it down to a few, and then I had to get my fiance to help me pick because I just couldn't choose which ones I wanted. And then the last two things I got are from the Gentleman's Emporium, as are this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I think I may have a couple of others from Gentleman's Emporium. One's from Gentleman's Emporium. I do have a few here, and I think one or two of the pieces that I got in my last order was Gentleman's Emporium as well. This is the 6x6 paper pad, and I'm kicking myself because for some reason the collectibles jumped out of my cart, and so I didn't get the die cuts, and that upset me a bit. Oh wow, you've got all these bits that you can actually cut out to use as ephemera on the back anyway. This is Gentleman's Emporium collection. They have numbers and they are double-sided, so this side has pocket watches and a little scene aged in oak, and you have a crossy triangle pattern on the background, and then on the back of the page there is stripes, and you've got a little border strip at the top. And then we have the same scene here. I'm not sure what they are. We have a little camera, little watch. We have the same thing here with a little scene aged in oak, and on the back of that is wallpapery type pattern. Border stripe. Got clocks, and on the back the umpire, a valveless fountain pen ready for instant use without adjustment. That's pretty cool. And that little pattern up there. There's another pen down there, another little scene, some flourishes, and on the back lots of little elements that you could cut them out and use them separately if you wanted to. Got the spades. This is pretty cool. And we've got a compass or a watch. I think it's a watch, pocket watch. Got dials on it that I don't know how to read. We've got little things around the outside, flourishes and cameras and more clocks. Spades and an ad. Gentlemen, work hard and get it done. We have lots of ads, and the spade, 1897. That just says 1897 on the back with the spade smaller. Leaves and flowers or something up there with a pattern. Lots of strips, so you could cut this out and use it in border strips if you wanted to. Whiskey, nips, billiard sticks, and midnight gin flips. Beardedness, nature's becoming stamp of rugged masculinity. Oh my goodness. That is cracking me up. And on the back of that one, we've got a plaid design, and then we have 1897 gentleman, and it looks very similar to the other page, just in a darker colour. And then we have another one of those little pictures down the bottom, aged in oak, and the same design that was in one of the corner of the pages, just distressed as the background. Lots of those clocks, and then some more pieces that you could cut apart, which is probably what I would end up doing with most of these. As much as I like the other page, these would come in a lot more handy, seeing as I didn't get the die cuts. Maybe next time. I'm waiting for Craft Giraffe to get the new foil stamps in because there are lots of words coming out, hopefully, if we get them over here. I know that one shop in the US has them, but I haven't seen them in Australia yet. Celery biscuits. Hellman's Universal Embrocation 1 1/2. Oh, it's a tincture. Stiffness, aches, sprains and bruises. Tandem tricycle. Merchant tailors and boys outfitters, so lots of ads, and again they can be cut apart and used as for ephemera. We have a windmill. Merchant tailors and boys outfitters, so some ads, stress background, more bits and pieces that can be cut apart. Whiskey, liqueur, port, same ad that was at the bottom of the other page. Ace of spades, playing cards, spiced rums. Strength, be gentle, be humble. So we've got some border strips as well. And then it's just another plainish piece on the back with a little ad in the corner. I think that was $5, which is why I grabbed that. And then I grabbed this one, which was $8, and this is Gentleman's Emporium. 12 pattern papers, 6 postcards, and 1 sticker sheet. The postcards are on paperweight, heavy paperweight, but it's not quite cardstock weight. Got the umpire and postcard on the back. 1897 with ads, clocks, little frame. Is invaluable during the summer months for keeping the skin cool and refreshed. After sun exposure to the hot sun and wind. It doesn't tell you what it actually is. It's just an ad for something. It doesn't tell you what it is. And Beetham and Son chemists at Cheltenham. So it's something you can pick up from the chemist, but who knows what it is. Aged in oak, and there's a bigger version of the picture in the circle, and then an ad for a razor. And then we've got the playing cards with the two little aged in oak pictures in the middle of that as well. This is the sticker sheet, quite thin stickers. They are just paperweight. The anniversary just for you, you are a true gentleman. Happy birthday my dear, you are my strength, follow your heart. The ace, some of the ads. How are you? Thank you for the laughter and the good times. Proud of you, thank you. And then the papers. These are bigger versions of the 6x6, and they don't actually have names. They just all say Gentleman's Emporium, and they are numbered. And you get one of each. I was hoping they'd have, let's see. Oh yeah, they have the ones with the cut aparts on them. I really like that, that's nice. I think I'd be more inclined to use the cut apart sides. From memory, this pack was $9. I'm hoping I can still snag some of the die cuts if I'm lucky. I do like the Butterfly Garden, but I think they were out of the die cuts, so I behaved myself and didn't grab that. What was your favourite thing? I always have trouble deciding. I really love this vintage Gentleman's Emporium collection. I'm just absolutely blown away by getting these for $5 each. That was just amazing. And I can't wait to try out these frames. I hope you enjoyed this look at my Giraffe and Craft Online orders. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.